Yo, what's going on, traders? Today's video, I'm gonna show you how to anticipate a breakout. Little educational video, Dash Trader Pro stuff. Stay tuned. All right, what up, traders? Let's get into the first example of how to identify or how to know when the breakout is coming. All right, here go one little key to identify a breakout is coming is, especially the tape. The tape will be green. Okay, you have a lot of green on the tape, and the tape will speed up. It'll get faster than what it's been doing. It'll just speed up all of a sudden for the breakout. And then if you look over here on level 2, you'll see that on the X, the numbers will move up faster. It'll go up faster, even sometimes skip up. So when you see that type of action and the stock is coming to a resistance level, like me, I don't play them. I don't play breakouts over levels, but I like to play the pullback. That's my strategy. It's the way I like to trade. But if you see that type of action, what you want to do is kind of get in there before that, before the breakout. You don't want to do it right at the breakout. Like, for example, the breakout level here is going to be $6. I put this little line here. It's like a little mini resistance level, but the resistance level is 6. Watch it break out at 6. So that's the breakout level. It's not a resistance level, but that's the breakout level. It is a psychological resistance level, whole dollar number. But anyway, so we just watching the stock. It's going to start speeding up over here in the level 2 X, and the bids will start going up as well with the green tape. Everything just goes fast with green in these numbers. So no breakout there. See, it's still moving fast, still moving quickly. We got white prints. I don't like white prints. I like to see only green. See, it's at 90, skipping 92, now it's at 94. It's skipping. Big sell at 95. And then another two, you can identify a breakout too. I'm glad I paused it here. If you look at the X and you have these big numbers here, and you want to see these numbers get taken out quickly, and then you still want to see it go up quickly too to the next level, That's definitely how you can anticipate a breakout. A lot of people say that when you see these big numbers like this on the X, it signifies selling pressure. That is the case. That can happen, but there's some cases where I actually like to see these big numbers up here. I like to see them flash up here like this, only 2. I don't want to see like 3 or 4 or just one number here with a big number, like maybe 2 like this. It's okay. And I want to see the tape with speed up with green prints. And I want to see these little numbers over here, the 282 to 147. I want to see that start going small, fast, quick, going down. That's how you can anticipate a breakout too. So that's what you want to do, man. Big sellers, you want to see the stock get over these big sellers. That's a good way it can break out. So this big seller's at 595. So we're gonna see him get taken out quickly. Red on the tape, not good. Red on the tape. No breakout yet. But it's not going down fast. So you can still anticipate this breakdown. Look at the bids. The bids are not going down. See that bid prop at 80? I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna pause it. It's not going down. See, look at the level 2 bid right there. You see all those bids propping up there at the 80 level, and these numbers here. That's an indication of a breakout, of a rip. I ain't gonna say of a breakout, but that's bullish. Lost it for a second, but it's gonna keep going up. Just skipped up, got through 95. Just got straight through 95, and there goes the breakout. Boom. Now this was a weak breakout because it didn't hold, but I just want you guys to see how that breakout happened. It's everything sped up. It went real quick. Once it got over that 595 seller, it was easy selling to $6. Watch. Just rewind it. So look at that. It didn't even, the guy didn't even pop up. That's why it'd be like spoof orders. The guy didn't even put his 595 order back up there. Watch it. Look at the X. Just gonna just skip it. Got straight through it. Boom. Breakout of 6. So that's what you want to see, man. You want to see a lot of green. You want to see numbers going up fast. Everything is going up. Green prints. And it hasn't come to a resistance level. I'll make a video about, I don't know if I got one out already, but I'll make a video about how not to identify, when the breakout doesn't look good. But that's kind of like go to my selling pressure video that I already have out. So there you go. See how that? Now I'm going to rewind this. I was talking. So 619, this is a pre-market high. Resistance level, pre-market high. Now watch it get through 619. Watch how it speeds up. 610s, 13s, just skipped up from 16 to 13. Look at that. It just skipped up. That's a crazy breakout. So you kind of, I'm not gonna tell you guys when you should be getting in here, but since it's going up like this, like I would probably have been there at 613. I probably jumped in there at 613 to play the breakout at 619. That would have been me. How it just skipped up like that. But you'll get to a point where you'll see the breakout. You'll see the breakout coming. It's gonna go up into a halt. See how everything's moving fast. Everything's going up. Look at the bids. The bids has not gone down since the squeeze started happening. All right, here go a second example here. Resistance level is 935, and we're gonna see the tape speed up again and get past that 935 level. All right. Right now, see, look, then you can. That's why I'm glad I captured this. Excuse me. Look at like right now. Look at the tape. No action. There's nothing going on. Nothing's going on. But somebody's gonna come on here and watch the volume pick up. It's gonna be green tapes. Everything's gonna start speeding up like it's doing now. See, it's speeding up. It's speeding up. Somebody came in putting orders on it. Look at the tape. Just started getting activity all of a sudden. Boom. Breaks out. All of a sudden, the tape just picked up. And it broke out. Like, I could have took a breakout trade there, but that's not what I do. Lots of times you get a fail. It'll break out and then it'll come back down. But like see I just skipping up 25, 27, 28, 29, 30, and it's going to like it. Now this one was a slower breakout, but the fact that the breakout was just it kept going up. The axe never came down once the squeeze started. So that's a nice breakout. So let's watch it one more time. So here, no activity. Here it goes picking up. It's at 25, 27. Just skip 2 cents. 28, 29, 30s. See, let me go back 930. Do you see those numbers? Look at now. Look at the ads at 930. Look at the little numbers over here. It's gonna start going down. There was a seller there, but he's gonna get taken out. See that 15, 11, 5? It just got through. Boom, breakout. You want to see quick tape. You want to see green. You want to see fast tape. Then normal. Than what the tape normally prints, like right there, and you want to see the axe going up. Next example is my final example for the breakout. Now this one here, this is going to be a kind of a tough breakout. Now to me, this is a weak breakout. Like I wouldn't. This is like there's a lot of selling up here. Like you got to have a good setup. I just picked this stock, but you got to. This is what I saw today. I didn't trade today, but I was just looking around, looking at some stocks. I wanted to make a video, but anyway. You got to have a good setup, and this is why this breakout is going to be weak because of look at the daily chart up here. You got 2 wicks, so there's a lot of resistance up here already. And then this is a weak breakout because this is selling pressure, right? Look at all these numbers here. I have a video about selling pressure. Take a look at that. But just look at this breakout, how this one is, how this one does, and then before. So right now we got red tape. It's picking up with volume, but it's like selling volume, selling pressure, like red on the tape. And it's moving slow. So this is a weak breakout that's going to happen. And you don't want to anticipate this breakout. Like you don't want to try to jump in for this breakout. Look at the wall at 3 and then look at the red tape. Selling pressure. Okay, it's trying to pick up, but it's red tape. So that's selling volume. And the bid just dropped. The axe just dropped. This is kind of like a selling pressure type of video, but this I just want you guys to see how this breakout struggles. The last 2 videos were like good breakouts. You see everything pick up and it pops up, but look how this one does. And that's why I don't take breakouts all the time. Like this is going to be this is not going to be a clean breakout when it does happen. So I try to get above 3. It was at 299, 3 on the axe, didn't break. It's pulling back now. This would be an okay entry for a dip play. Could have bought that little dip right there. Try to write it back up. But I wouldn't even do that on this stock. I don't like how the tape's moving. It's too sluggish right now. Too many sellers in this stock. So let's go to pick back up with green. Let's go to try to break out. That's good. It's good that didn't flush there. So here we go. Let's get more little activity on the level 2. But look at the tape. It's not a lot of green going through. This is a weak breakout. It's gonna be weak. 97. Look how slow with 96. You see how the bid just went 97 and it dropped down? That's weak. You don't want to see that for a breakout. You can still play. You can still jump in there and play the breakout, but you're not going to get that good pop because it did that. You're not going to get like a breakout of 3 and go straight to 310, 315. You're not going to get nothing like that. With the tape just doing how slow it's moving, it looks like it could break out of 3. you'll probably get like a 2 cent, 3 cent pop, and then it won't hold and it'd be like a false breakout. So here we go. Threes trying to get taken out. Here we go, speeding up some. Still weak action. Still weak tape action. Okay, now the numbers are starting to get low. There we go, speeding up. Boom, just broke out a 3. And then you don't want to buy it at the whole dollar. You want to buy these before it breaks out. You got to get better at, you got to time it just right so you can sell into that whole dollar level. Look at that weak breakout. Now, you don't want to buy at 3. See, right now you're only up 4 cents. You want to buy at 3, trying to get like a 10 cent pop. You want to buy before that and sell into that to the 3, try to get like a 10 cent pop. I probably would try to been there like 5.95, 5.85, something like that. So we're starting to get some volume. It's picking up, but that's a weak breakout. It didn't go straight up to the next resistance level. And then, the bids are not holding. I mean, the axe is not holding. It keeps going down. So this is a weak breakout. It's a breakout. I showed you guys a breakout, but this isn't a strong one like the last two. Tape's moving too slow. The level 2 on the axe is too thick. This stock is too thickly traded for that to be a real good breakout. And it's thickly traded because I'm pretty sure there's a high float on this stock. And that's another thing too. The breakouts don't be clean if the stock has a high float. You want stocks with floats that's like 10 million or less to get a good clean breakout and a nice pop to like 15, 20 cents. So that's my example for breakouts. And thank you guys for watching. It's Money Games. Please like and subscribe.